When you try to create your ChatGPT account, it identifies your original phone number as the landline phone number, which is not the true case. So how you can create your ChatGPT account without any interruption on your phone number? I will share with you 3 different solutions in this video, and any of them will work for you, I am more than pretty sure. So let's move towards the solution number 1, which worked for some people I've researched, but it doesn't work for all of the people, but you may give it a try. And that is when you are on the page which asks for the phone number on ChatGPT, you have to type 2 zeros before writing your phone number. Just write 2 zeros and then write your remaining phone number, and then try sending the code on your phone number. And if it doesn't work, you can remove 1 zero and then try sending the code on your phone number. This is the method which worked for a very few people, so you may give it a try. So this was the solution number 1. But if this thing doesn't work, let's move towards the solution number 2, which is you have to first of all open Google and type in here temporary phone number generator online with OTP and hit the go button, and some websites will appear up and you can open any of the website. These websites provide different phone numbers with the OTP service, and you can copy any phone number from these websites and paste that there, and you will receive that OTP on these websites. Just paste that code in that box there, which will be asked next to this page after entering the phone number, and your account will be created. So the solution number 2 was you have to go to Google and type this thing, temporary phone number generator online, go to any website, copy any phone number, and then try creating your account on that phone number, which will be generated by the website you copied the phone number from. But the problem with this solution is many of these websites are paid, or even if they are not paid, they don't get you the OTP that you need. So if this thing also don't work, you have to move to the solution number 3. And the solution number 3 is I can create an account for you if you contact me on Instagram just for $5. I have created accounts for many clients, and if you contact me on Instagram, I will also create a ChatGPT account for you, which will be 100% lifetime yours, and it will be a one-time payment. Let me show you some proofs that I have done it with many of the clients, and also let me tell you that I will first create the account using any of the phone number which will be mine, and I will give you the account. You will try logging in, and if that account gets logged in, then payment will be the second step. And this is the thing I'm doing with all of my past clients. And here is one of them, and let me show you another one, and here it is. If I go up in the conversation, you can take a look. He asked me to create an account, and here I sent him, and he checked it, and after that he sent me the payment. And this is the thing that I've done with all of my clients. Here's another one. When you will contact me on Instagram, we will have a conversation, and I will create an account for you. I will give it to you, and if it starts working, then you will pay me $5. So this was the last solution which you have to do if nothing worked for you from the first 2 solutions. But I'm sure that you may not need to move to this solution number 3 because any of the first 2 may work. By the way, if they don't work, then this is the last step you could do, because this is the bug by ChatGPT and we could do nothing until they fix it. Rather than this, I suggested you. Let me tell you my username of Instagram, which is this. So you can contact me on Instagram, and also tell me in the comments if anything worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.